Good afternoon, my name is Andrea Lopez and I am completing the Test 1 Part 2 extra credit. I'm beginning with question number 1. The components of vector A are given as follows. AX is 6.1 and AY is negative 8.6. And I must find the angle measured counterclockwise from the x-axis to vector A in degrees. So, in order to do this, I know that I must do tangent theta equals y over x. And since we are looking for theta and we're given our x and our y, I can do arc tangent negative 8.6 over 6.1. And if I plug that into my calculator, I will get negative 54.651. In order to find the angle counterclockwise from the x-axis, I will do 360 subtracted by this value. And my answer would be 305.3 and so on. It rounds off to 305. And that is the answer. That is option E.